Guys, it's that time again. We've got a super difficult one for you today. Just kidding, it's the GKTECH steering wheel spacers. Here's one right now out of its element, just chilling. You get the spacer and some accessories. These come in two flavors, 25mm or almost an inch, or 50mm or almost 2 inches. These also come with the hardware, short bolts for the shorty and long bolts for the long boy. So say you're a T-Rex or you have little tiny baby arms like this adorable little guy. Sorry, not you, Zach. Don't put a pillow in your seat. Why don't you space that sucker towards yourself instead? Not only that, but this will help you from looking like a total rookie and turning on your lights, turn signals, and window wipers by spacing your wood chopping hands away from them. Hooray! Now to install, remove your old wheel by removing the bolts. If it's OEM, first of all, why? Second of all, Google it. Once the bolts are off, pull that bad unit off and set it gently aside. Then grab the spacer and toss it in between the wheel and the hub. Then toss some of the bolts through the steering wheel and the spacer, then tighten each one down as painstakingly as we are doing it on the screen right now. Once you have them tightened, that's it, you're done. Great heaven above, those T-Rex arms can now reach no problem at all, and you can finally get that damn ball. If only we made pedal assembly extenders. Sorry, boys. Looks fresh, feels fresh, and next time you're chopping wood, there'll be a 40% less chance of you turning on everything and having people laugh at you. Toss them boys the deuces, cause you can reach. Johnny Caps and I chop wood with the best of them. Follow us on YouTube. If you can't do this install, have a pro do it or reach out with any questions. This has been Officer Dan, Johnny Caps, and T-Rex Zach with another GKTECH video how-to. We'll see you next time. And insert gratuitous shot of dog with ball again just because we love him so much. Come on, little guy. I know that disappointing feeling. Yeah.